Hey everyone, Andrew here from Cable Bullet. Today I'm walking you through a few different ways to install top mount Signature Select, Signature Midnight, and Signature Classic posts on stairs. Whether you've got a simple deck or a custom setup, we've got 3 solid post configuration options to help you get ready for your install. Before we begin, I wanted to point out a few updates on our Signature Series posts. We now have stair posts that will come with a pivoting top instead of a stationary top. Another difference between the stair posts and a standard tensioning post is that the tensioner holes on the bottom stair post are shifted up to help the cable clear stair nosing that sometimes gets in the way. You can see here that the 2-part pivoting top allows the handrail to slope without needing a hinge. The top of the stair post will pivot, or slope, towards the tensioning side, whereas the bottom stair post pivots away from the tensioning side. For each stair post configuration option we cover, you'll need a tensioning post at both the top and bottom of your stairs. Let's look at the options. Option 1 is a simple post configuration with a continuous handrail. Put a corner or 2-way post with a hinge at the top of the stairs straight down to a bottom of stair post. Using a string line to place your posts is the easiest way to start. Put the string line inside of the bottom tensioner hole or have someone hold it near. Position your posts so that the taut line clears the nosing on all your treads. Eventually, this is going to give you a precise post location, but keep making slight adjustments as needed. As you're making these adjustments, make sure that your posts will have proper blocking for the mounting screws, as well as ensuring that your railing is code compliant by not allowing a 6-inch sphere to pass through the triangular gap here. Add your handrail hinge at the top, mount your handrail, run your cables, and you're good to go. This option involves less angle finding math, fewer parts, and it's a fast installation. It also works with most layouts where nosing would be an issue. Option 2 gives you more flexibility with your design. You'll still use a 2-way or corner post at the top of your stairs, but instead of a stair post, you will use a standard end post at the bottom of your stairs with a stair end hinge, like this. This gives your railing a more custom look with this nice kickout. Post placement works a lot like the first option, and we've got a great video that walks through the specifics. Hit the button in the upper right-hand corner or the link in the description to check that out. This setup gives your railing a high-end custom look. It takes a little more time to lay out and requires an additional hinge. However, the finished look with the transition at the top and the kickout at the bottom is worth it if you're looking for a nice custom finish. Option 3 is a great choice if you have a simple stair run or prefer the look of uninterrupted handrail. This configuration will have a top and bottom stair post, which both have pivoting tops, eliminating the need for any hinges. Similar to option 1, use a string line to determine the post placement, still ensuring that the 6-inch sphere does not pass through the gap. To complete your stairs, mount the handrail, run your cables, and you're good to go. So, which option should you choose? Well, if you want something that's fast and straightforward, option 1's tough to beat. If you're going for a custom look, option 2's the way to go. And if you're looking for a simple layout or prefer the hingeless look, option 3 is your best bet. Still not sure which one's right for your space? Reach out. Our team of cable railing experts is always here to help. And if you're ready to start your project or get a fast and free quote, head over to cablebullet.com to get started.